guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are, well, Ellis is mowing hay. Yes. Parker's doing something with it. This is the hay here. This is the hay. Most people know what this hay is, but if you don't, this is hay. It's got some weeds in it, mostly grass. There's Dad and Alice. There's Paco. Here's a big old thick pile of it. See? This is probably the thickest hay we've had all year. Trying to find the ticket. Could not find the ticket. Yeah. So, that's it. This is just a little short video. Tell you about the hay. And, this evening, we are going to move Little Purple. So, watch that video, like and subscribe. Watch some more of our videos. Thanks for watching. Today, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are moving Purple. That's Purple. And before this video started, I would like to give a shout out to Purple. She kicked me in the leg, and I kicked her back. Yeah, we're moving Purple. There's Alice.
We had a new baby cat today.
Yeah, we had a new baby cat. She was bred like 7 years ago.
We have a cat.
Oh yeah, we got a cat too. Before this video is over, we're going to show you our cat. We got a brand new cat today. Well, it's actually not ours. Wow, it just came out a couple minutes ago. Hey, if you guys can hear that noise, that's called a bull doing a stupid, crazy noise. See him? It's not him. See him where he's that cow right there. Not that calf, but the one behind it. That's him. That's them. So yeah. Well, that's all for today. We are now tedding. Day 2. We're now tedding the hay. Yeah, we are now tedding the hay. Let me get into some better filming conditions. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, we are on day 2. This is non-tedded hay. This stuff not tedded. This stuff has been tedded. Yeah, there they are, way back there. Alice and them. Sitting. Oh. That's what we're tedding with. Yeah. See how this is still wet? Not as dry as this side right here. Yeah. I'll get some more sheets for you. 4 steps to it. Sometimes 3. So you gotta mow it, ted it, rake it, bale it. Sometimes you don't have to ted, depends on it, how dry it is. So yeah. All them things do is they just spin around and then they turn the hay over. Yeah. That's it. That's what we do. PTO spins too. So, thanks for watching and see ya. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are baling hay. I'm Logan, that's Ellis, there's Callie, and we are baling hay. He's just about to let one out. See if I can get this on film. It's dead. He just let a bale out. See that gate goes up in the air. So, yeah, that's it. You've got some hay here. Some normal hay, net wrap. That's a windrow. That's what we have a John Deere baler. Yeah. So that's it.